can't hear me, but I got this engine running. That was a really good one. Ignore the broken motor mount. Ignore that. Ignore my makeshift fuel tank and my makeshift starter. Ignore this whole setup, basically. Now I need to use two hands, one to throttle it, one to start it with the drill. Done. Never mind. That's the clutch spinning. I don't know why, but it just kind of won't stay running unless I pin the throttle. Switch my hands in time. I think. There we go, I got it. I think I just got hit by a piece of a flywheel. If you ignore the two-stroke engine screaming, basically I've packed everything up to go to that new property in those two cars. Whew. Okay, I'm going to turn it off now. Hell yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that smoke. Oh, my socket. It's got like a bunch of weird scratching on it. Yeah, I had a socket on it like this the entire time. Ignore safety. I love ignoring safety. Anyways, bye.